back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jelly. So I'm back. I'm coming back to y'all with a wig review this time. So I purchased a couple of wigs. And I'm going to show y'all the wigs. I'm going to review, I think, one at a time because I don't know how much work I'm going to have to do to either one of these. But I know they was both under $11 when I bought them. And I'm going to leave the links to each one of the wigs down below. But the first one I'm going to do, girl, these boxes is big too. No, they big. The first one I'm going to do is it's FreeTress Deluxe Lace Front. It is in Korean. It's in the shade number 1. I ain't put them on. I ain't took them out the box. I literally just bought the things. So the packaging is really big. It's pretty though. I ain't even gonna lie, it's pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. What I thought, y'all? I'm tearing up stuff. So, it's connected to some stuff. Alright, well, I didn't take this out before the video. Probably should have, but I didn't. I wanted to literally do it with y'all. So, we're going to take all this mess out. This is a synthetic wig. It comes in a number of colors. It says it's curling down safe. Up to 400 degrees. It do have the shiny synthetic look to it. I'm not going to say it doesn't because it does. It smells like plastic. But everybody can't afford human hair. So I wanted to do something that was more affordable. And stuff like that. This is how the parting space looks. It's not bad at all. The front, I will say, is a little thicker. But I'm going to see what it looks like on my head. So give me a second and let me take the wig I have on off. And I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. I don't wear stocking caps that often. But that's because I don't actually keep my wigs on. Overnight. I don't really glue them down that often either. So what I'm going to do with this is, this does come with 2 clips in the front, and it comes with 1 clip in the back. It has the adjustable straps back here as well, which I'm going to go ahead and readjust really quickly because it looks really, really big. So I think I'm going to have to take it to the tightest one I got. So I got it on. I will say it's not bad. It is thick at the front. So that's something I will have to try to work on fixing. It is sort of shiny. It's thick. It seems like it does tangle just a twinge with me just trying to run my fingers through the curls to loosen them up some. But that's to be expected as well with most synthetic ones. You got to be careful with how much you manipulate them. I'm going to go ahead and cut this lace off. Again, I'm going to go back off and cut the lace off. And I'm going to position it on my head and then I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I was trying to do as little manipulation as possible so you all could see what the wig was like if you ain't really know how to do nothing to it, if you didn't know how to pluck it, if you didn't know how to put any concealer up here or anything. This is what it looks like. It's not actually bad at all. The parting, could it be a little bit more? Yes. Will I probably go through and pull out some hairs with my hand? Yes. But I didn't really want to do that in this video just because I'm trying to make some videos for people who don't necessarily know how to do the most manipulation to their unit. So they need something that can actually come out of the box, look like something, versus them having to manipulate it so much. What I'm going to do is try to go ahead and put some concealer up here with some pressed powder and see how we can make this look just a twinge bit more realistic. Okay, now that did make the part look a twinge bit better. I will say that just a pinch, and I still didn't have to do any pulling, tweezing, plucking, nothing. And I actually do like this, y'all. I bought it, and I didn't think I was gonna wear it, but because I was gonna give it away. But I actually might wear this one. Because I do like it. I will say that it is a little bit thicker and the lace is a little bit harder than what I'm used to because I'm used to wearing non-synthetic wigs. But this one is nice, y'all. I like it. I really, really like it. Like, seriously, I do. You guys tell me down below what you think. If you wear synthetic wigs, if you don't wear them, let me know because I like this one and I actually might purchase a few more. The only thing I'll say is that trying to find this curl pounder is like a journey. Like, I ain't even gonna lie. It's a journey because they are all over the blessed place. So trying to find it is a journey, but if you can work your way through that, you'll be all right. Yeah, I think we okay now. So yeah, this I really like. I'm not going to test it right now to see if it actually does do heat, just because I like the curls that are in there. I might come back later on and test that theory later, but it just won't be right now. But yeah, this is the final outcome and look of this wig. I love the body that it comes with. The shine actually doesn't, the shine of it doesn't actually bother me that much, to the point that it would be annoying or anything. But I really do like this one, guys. I really, really do. You guys comment down below and let me know what you think of this unit. I think it would be something that is very beginner friendly. It's budget friendly. Let me know what you think. Thank you, and I will see y'all in the next video. See you in the next video. But yeah.